it going? Today I'm going to show you how to install a radiator cover for a third generation Dodge Ram. It goes by a few names. It's a Mopar, says it's a Dodge Ram diesel front cover, truck bra, radiator cover, they all work. This is Mopar part number 82208646. This is the second time going on for me. So originally when I got the kit, it came with some Velcro strips, I believe some alcohol pads. So what I did was I just left the other half of the strip here and here on the other side and cleaned that off, and as I put it on, I pressed those into place. So to start, you just toss it up there, hook this over your hood holders. These are just Velcro straps up here. They're going to go underneath your wiring harness and a couple lines here. Then there's a clip that goes right in your fender right there. And one over here. Now, you want to bring this down, tighten it up, and press those Velcro strips on. Just take this and tuck it in between your bumper and the radiator. And then get under the vehicle. And down here under the truck, right in front of the radiator, just pull the cover down. And then there's straps that will hook right around your radiator. They're just on elastic bands. And over here, you've got your body mount. You're just gonna stretch the cover and hook right on there, right on the bracket going to the body mount. And same thing on the other side. And back up front here, you've got some options. There's up to 4 flaps that you can open up here. Velcro on both sides to hold them in place. I just run one open, and truck runs great temperature in the wintertime. I hope this video helped you. Like and subscribe if you would. It would help me, and thanks for watching.